What's up, YouTube? It's Jay, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is actually day 2 of my Miami trip. I'll be talking fast sometimes, so I stutter. At my Miami trip, and currently we at the beach, as y'all can see. We at the beach, and the sun is not out, which sucks, but we here though, and it's a nice view. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show y'all, but it's a nice view. But before all that, we talk about stuff and I go on with the video. If you're new to this channel, thanks for watching this video. I very much appreciate it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you haven't already, press on that notification bell button so you will know when we post again. And turn on your, oh yeah, I just said that. And like this video if you like this video. And yeah, and we're gonna get into the video. I'm gonna show y'all this view though. Hold on. Look at this view, y'all. Look at Bay. Look at Bay. But yeah, look at this view. The sun ain't out. It rained. Ooh, I gotta tell you, it rained earlier, so the sun is pretty much gone, but it's the view though. Alright, y'all, we walking. We just came from the beach. Pretty fun. That I showed y'all. I'm gonna show y'all and stuff, but yeah. It's loud. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but because it's kind of loud, but hold on. I'm back. My vlog is like all over the place. Because it'd be like, I have to cut it off because it'd be like a lot of music and a lot of sound. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but it's basically the music when you copyright it. But anyways, like I told y'all, we left from the beach. It got dark. And we at this place called Wet Willie's. If you come to Miami, make sure you come Wet Willie's if you haven't already. And we got these, we gonna order these drinks. This a tequila margarita.
Yep.
A tequila margarita. I'm about to be, if I drink this whole thing, that's up. Show them what you got though.
I forgot what that was.
This
on top of it. Like greenish and stuff.
Yeah, it's like green. That's beige, but it's good though.
It's real
but
good.
mine's stronger though. But yeah.
I had to drink yours. Yours is good.
Thank you. But yeah, I'm trying to vlog. It be like a lot of stuff going on. But yeah, what had happened? So earlier, we didn't come out. Well, we came out, but we didn't come out like till like later on. We wanted to start our day early, but it started raining, and like I was so upset. It started raining, so we was stuck in the hotel for a few hours. It backed our day up, and then we went to Bayside Marketplace, and we went to go get some. We went to lunch. We went to Hard Rock, and then I went to Rainbow because I needed to get me a shirt. But then we went back to the hotel or whatever. We took some pictures. I'm gonna show y'all when we get back to the hotel later on tonight. Took these little pictures. It was so cute. But yeah, so we went to the beach later on. You know, we were for like an hour and a half, maybe something like that. And then it started getting dumb dark. So now that was that. So now we at Wet Willie's, getting some food or whatever. Trying to be grown.
I bet my money just hit.
Trying to be grown. Now we got some drinks.
Yep.
But I wanted to tell y'all that or whatever, keep y'all updated. But when our food get here, I'm gonna show y'all our food or whatever. Alright, y'all. Out here. Alright, y'all, here go our food. That's baked food. And we got some spinach dip coming, but I want to show y'all our food. Alright, y'all, we back to the house. I said house. we back to the hotel, whatever. It's been a little minute or whatever. Anyway, from that last clip, but we back to the hotel or whatever. So yeah, that was pretty much it for today or whatever, because the rain kind of ruined our day. Well, not ruined our whole day, but the beginning of our day. So we were just chilling in the hotel, and then it was raining. When I told y'all I went to go look for a shirt and went to go eat, it was raining, so I didn't really want to have my phone out, but because we had to carry umbrellas, then we had bags. But yeah, but I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all seen the clip of the beach and stuff. Then we went out to eat or whatever. But that's really it for this video or whatever. Day two, because we were supposed to do jet skis today, but we're gonna do that tomorrow, which is gonna be day 3 for the vlog, for the video. But I just want to come over here and end the video and tell y'all thanks for watching, and tomorrow video gonna be way better. But thanks for watching, and if you new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on that bell. It ain't that hard. Turn on that bell, and I will appreciate it. And on the road to 100K subs. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.